Recipe time! Let's make cool carrot and radiant raisin salad. Remember to keep food safe and fight back. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. Clean your hands. Make sure you do it for 20 seconds. Get between those fingers, around those wrists, in those nails, and then dry and turn off the water. Clean. Remember to clean your surfaces before you make recipes in the kitchen. You can do this by making your own solution with 1/4 teaspoon of non-scented bleach and 2 cups of water. Remember also to clean your produce and cans before using them in a recipe. Recipe time now. Cool carrot radiant raisin salad. I like to get everything out first, including my measuring spoons, measuring cups, and bowls. Ingredients are 2 cups of packed shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple packed in juice and drained, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins, 3 tablespoons of low-fat vanilla yogurt. Now, let's mix all the ingredients together. Carrots are good for your eyes. They have vitamin A, and they also help you fight infection and keep your skin and hair healthy. Once mixed together, cover with saran wrap. Then we're going to place it in the refrigerator. Now, after refrigeration, let's taste this tasty treat. This serves 5 servings, and it's an excellent source of vitamin A and a good source of vitamin C. I hope you enjoy. A copy of this recipe can be found in the 4th grade curriculum, EFNEP curriculum that is, Choosing Foods for Me.